Hey, Nanny.
Hi, Andrew.
Point the camera at her.
No.
Anything you'd like to say to the world of YouTube?
You're a knob.
Gee, thanks.
What's it off?
Alright, what did I get for Easter?
A little
Well,
ladle.
get over here and find out.
You really have to say that.
Yes.
Hey, is that my basket? No freaking way. Boom, baby!
What'd you get?
Trap Shadow! Wait, is this Phantom Cinder? Oh my god, I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. Is that a Skylander box? No way. Springtime trigger happy! Hey, you guys know the deal. If I get Racer, I get to play that song Skylander Dad wrote.
I lied. Okay. I'm going to pause it.
Hey, wait, plus? No, why? Alright,
To be continued in a minute.
alright.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.